Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. We are here at the 2025 Hershey RV Show, and I am with Mark, the inventor of PopStep. These things are great. All right, so Mark, when did you start the company?
Started PopStep almost a year ago.
Okay.
And it was a long path getting from prototype to design to production, but we're finally here. We've got a full line of MorRyde and Lippert covers for the solid step and step above, the steps that go up and into the RV.
Okay. You want to show us how they work?
I can. PopStep installs on your step without any clips, springs, or adhesives. You just pop it on. Its patented design will keep it in place. You never have to remove it. It cleans easily with a damp cloth. It is anti-skid. We've got more skid slip resistance than the original metal step. Up here, the bullnose is still a little slick when it gets wet. We took care of that with our design with the ribs in between the ribs. There's no slipping on these. Pets love it. They dull the noise. The pet's claws don't go against the metal. And then it just pops right back on.
Yeah, seems very easy, and I'll tell you, they are very durable. I do have one question. We have the lift assist.
Yes.
Okay, would this amount of weight hinder those steps from coming up and staying?
They do not.
Okay, good.
They only add maybe 1.5 pounds at most.
Okay.
But the lift assist is nice.
Okay, now you have them for different width steps too, right?
Yes, this is the 19-inch MorRyde, 19.5-inch MorRyde that we use for the show. But they're the 23.5-inch and 19.5-inch, and they're also available for the Lippert solid step 24-inch and 20-inch.
Okay. And I also noticed the top one doesn't wrap around. So what's going on there?
The design of the step will keep, or the design of the cover will keep it in place. MorRyde sometimes puts it back on. Lippert sometimes puts it back on. Sometimes they don't. And if they do, it may or may not be the same. It doesn't allow us to get behind. But with the patented design, these ribs work in conjunction with these ribs to keep it from sliding.
Okay.
But we do include these pieces of Velcro for those that want a little bit more of it being solid. A lot of people, I just found out, will flip the steps up when they're in it. If they're staying overnight somewhere, they didn't want to see it flopping around inside. So we started including Velcro.
Okay. Yeah, it seems like a very good product.
Well, I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, they go in off and on very easily, but you wouldn't have a reason to take them off again once they're on, right?
Correct. I mean, taking them off is optional and entirely up to you. They come in the 2, 3, and 4-step model, and they do fit on the new style MorRydes that have the treads that
fold up.
Fold up.
Okay, cool. And one thing too, you get a very nice bag with them. Is that it?
That's it.
All right, thanks, Mark.
Thanks, Rich.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Thank you.
Okay, so once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.